Starting around 23 June 2023. Explicitly spell pretty symbolic sort of is exchanging at $0.00047510 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.21% in most recent 60 minutes, or so they truly thought. Spell in a real sense has a truly all-out market cap of $51,028,431, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,483,711 in a significant manner. This in every practical sense makes especially spell genuinely token, spell kind of positioning at 355 in the cryptographic money market, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what essentially is the spell fundamentally token cost expectation end of 2023. What will fundamentally spell genuinely token by and large be somewhat worth in 2023 in a fundamentally significant manner? Is essentially spell kind of token in all things considered, wise venture or most certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will in every way that really matters, spell cost basically outperform its unequaled in every way that really matters, high in an essentially significant way? These are our basically spell in every way that really matters token cost expectations for spell's future, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Spell kind of token, spell value expectation 2023. As per the spell token estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the spell cost for the most part is supposed to especially cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.00057245. The normal essentially least value worth of generally spell in every practical sense. Token toward the finish of the buy in large current year ought to fundamentally be $0.00055401, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, spell can truly arrive at an essentially greatest value level of $0.00064466. Spell token, spell, value figure June 2023. The spell commonly token, spell, cost for June 2023. May explicitly arrive at a genuinely least worth of $0.00043805, while the in every practical sense greatest gauge cost truly is around $0.00049800, or so they in a real sense thought. The exceptionally normal cost for explicitly spell especially is for the most part anticipated to in a real sense reach $0.00048417 in June 2023 in a sort of significant way. Spell value conjecture July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of buy in large spell, genuinely token, sort of is determined to especially be at around an extremely least worth of $0.00048025. Amazingly, the spell especially token value worth can generally arrive at an especially limit of $0.00052221, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.00049869 in United States dollars, exhibiting how truly spell especially has an especially complete market cap of $51,028,431, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,483,711, which basically is very huge. Spell extremely token, spell, value gauge August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of in every practical sense, spell fundamentally token, really is explicitly anticipated to basically arrive at a truly normal cost of $0.00051864, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $0.00054215 and at least $0.00050019, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Spell exceptionally token, spell, value conjecture September 2023. The spell especially token, spell, cost for September 2023 may for the most part arrive at a really least worth of $0.00051057, while the truly greatest gauge cost in every practical sense is around $0.00056290, or so they especially thought. The typical cost for especially spell especially is for the most part anticipated to in every way that really matters reach $0.00052901 in September 2023. Amazingly, spell certainly token, spell, value gauge October 2023. The spell fundamentally token, spell, cost for October 2023 may for the most part arrive at any rate worth of $0.000526444, while the in every practical sense greatest determined cost is around $0.000589335 in an unobtrusive manner. The especially normal cost for generally spelled basically will be fundamentally anticipated to truly reach $0.000544888 in October 2023. Or so they sort of thought. Spell sort of token value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the sort of greatest cost for truly spell most certainly token could truly stretch around $0.000616590, which truly is genuinely huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of in a real sense spell in November 2023 really is $0.0005428, with a genuinely normal cost of $0.000561223. Spell value gauge December 2023. Concerning December 2023, fundamentally spell commonly token is supposed to truly arrive at a sort of least value worth of $0.000555401. The spell cost could really arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $0.000644666, with the truly normal cost around $0.000572445 in a significant manner. Spell most certainly token certainly passed value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been somewhat diminished by 3.17% in its really current worth, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. In the event that we basically look at the by and large current market cap of the spell with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down in a by and large huge manner. From most certainly most recent 7 days, the spell sort of was an awesome vertical pattern and expanded by 8.74%. Exhibiting how starting around 23 June 2023, in a real sense spell in every practical sense, token is exchanging at $0.0004751 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.21%. In most recent 60 minutes, spell truly token truly has shown most areas of strength for certainly of potential recently, and this could be great chance to sort of dive right in and in a real sense put resources into a major way. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of explicitly spell for the most part diminished by 40.118%, taking out an incredible essentially normal amount of $0.0003180 from its by and large current worth. Further appearance, how from truly most recent 7 days, the spell sort of was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 8.74%. Showing how starting around 23 June 2023 truly spell certainly token is exchanging at $0.0004751 in term of its United